Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a Capcom account in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and this without any further delay we will simply step into our video. If you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead and open our mobile's browser. You can open any. Once your browser is open, go to the search option and type in Capcom, and then the first option will come. Simply go ahead, tap on that option, and this will open this kind of interface over here. What you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this login given on top, and now you get this kind of interface, right? So for this purpose, you will select your region, then go ahead, select your country from over here, and then go ahead, enter date of birth, and tap on this next option, and tap on this sign up option since we are creating our account, and go ahead, enter your email address and enter your password. And once you're done, tap on this provisional registration, and what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, open your email address, tap on this email that we just got, and tap on this link over here. This is for the confirmation, and we have already done the confirmation. Go to the user information entry screen, tap on this one. Now enter the nickname. You can go ahead, choose from the recommendations of Google. Select a country region again, go ahead again, enter your date of birth and select a gender. Tap on this continue, and now check your information. I agree, tap on confirm. You can see all of the steps are completed. Go to account page, and you can see all of your profile information which you have created. You are good to go. So yes guys, this is how you can simply go ahead, create your account right there in your Capcom. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.